Wait, are we doing science or math today? Math today.
Hello, yes.
What are we doing today?
We'll decide what we're doing last time, Prince.
Sir, we started circle chapter.
Okay, circles. We are doing circles. Circles will start right now. Okay.
Wait, are we doing science or math today?
All right, Chaman.
Math today.
Hello, yes.
What are we doing today?
Hello.
No.
We'll decide what we're doing last time, Prince. Just wait
Sir,
for
we
a minute.
started
The
circle
children
chapter.
let everyone join right now. Okay. Circles. We are doing circles. Circles will start
wait
right
for
now.
one
Okay.
or two more minutes.
All right, Chaman. Hello.
No.
Just wait for a minute. The children let everyone join right now. Okay.
Just wait for one or two more minutes.
चलो खाती हो ना तुम जब मुझे मसलन नहीं खाती हो तो क्या दिक्कत है खाने का हाँ तुम खा ली तो खाओ कोई दिक्कत नहीं बाद में रोटी में नहीं खाता है हम खा सकते हैं ना
आप खाइए ना
पूछे ना सर
आप खाइए
कोई दिक्कत नहीं ना मुझे मसलन नहीं खाती हो तो क्या दिक्कत है खाने का तो छोड़ दो तुम हाँ
Hello, you know what is cod and all, right?
खा ली तो खाओ
Prince, where is he?
बाद में
Kaushik.
रोटी में नहीं खाता है
Yeah.
I'm here.
हम खा सकते हैं ना
आप खाइए ना
Okay.
पूछे ना सर
I think almost
Hi,
everyone
yeah.
joined right now. Okay.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं ना
Let me check. Yes.
तो छोड़ दो तुम
Yeah.
मत खाओ फिर
Hello, you know what is cod and all, right? Prince, where is he? Kaushik. Yeah.
I'm here, sir.
Okay.
पहले तो खाना ही नहीं
I think almost everyone joined right now. Okay. Let me check. Yes.
पहले तो खाना ही नहीं
What? Wait, sir.
Yeah, just 1 minute. I'm just opening that circles.
Okay, this is trigonometry.
You know trigonometry? Kaushik?
No, only a bit, sir. Very little. What? Wait, sir.
This is part of class 10. Yeah, just
actually,
1
just
minute. I'm just
trigonometry.
opening that circles.
Yeah. Okay, this
Class
is
9.
trigonometry.
You know trigonometry? Kaushik?
No, only a bit.
All of you on the
sir.
camera now?
Very little.
This is part of class 10th actually. That is trigonometry.
Yeah.
Class 9th. All of you on the camera now? Varshita, Pranya, Harini.
Sir, I won't be able to turn it on, right? Because I'm out of station.
Okay. But one day you were asked for, right?
No, sir, I'm gonna be here the whole vacation, so I won't be able to turn it on for the whole vacation.
Varshita, Pranya, Harini. What's the problem? Something will be there on the back all the time.
Sir, I won't be able to.
No,
turn
sir,
it on,
like the
right?
network
Because
here
I'm
is
out of
terrible and
station.
I don't have my computer, so I'm on the
Okay.
laptop.
What is,
And this is the camera.
But
isn't
one day you
working
were asked for,
properly.
right? You are using laptop, right?
Yes, sir. But
No,
then,
sir, I'm gonna
like, the
be
network
here
here
the
is
whole
terrible
vacation, so I won't be
already.
able to
And
turn it
also,
on for
apart,
the whole
I
vacation.
think this is network is much better than
What's the
before,
problem?
man.
Something will be there on the back all the time.
sir, I'm on mobile data. No, sir, like the network here is terrible
Voice
and
so
I
clear,
don't
voice
have my
sound is so
computer,
clear.
so I'm on the laptop. And okay, sir, I'll try
camera
turning it
isn't
on.
working
If any
properly.
network issues,
You are
then I'll
using
just turn
laptop,
it off.
right? Okay.
Yes, sir. But then, like, the network here is terrible already. And
No,
also,
Priyanka. I think this is network is much better than before, man.
sir, I'm on mobile
Just
data.
wait for 3 more children. One or 2 minutes.
Voice
See,
so
now
clear,
5,
voice sound is so
7,
clear.
no? Just 2 minutes. We will just wait. And
Okay, sir, I'll try turning it
Yeah,
on.
what
If
will
any
happen?
network issues, then I'll just turn
this
it
theorem
off.
part, all of you know, we have done last
Okay.
class. Theorem part. Theorem we have done last class, right?
Sir, is this like the exercise in
Just
the
wait for 3 more
NCRT?
children. One or 2 minutes. See, now 5:57. No, this theorem part, not part of exercise. This theorem part, all of you know, we have done last class. Theorem part. Theorem we have done last class,
I was
right?
absent last class.
Okay, I'll just brief once. Just 1 minute.
Sir,
Give me
is
one
this
time.
like the exercise in the NCRT?
This theorem part, not part of exercise. The concept of circles. Okay.
So I was absent last class.
Okay, I'll just brief once. Just 1 minute. Give me one time. See, last class, what we have learned is we have learned about basic things of circles. What we are using in circles and all we have studied in last class. Just like radius, sector, segment, arc, and then we have tangent, chord, circumference, diameter. Okay. See, last class, what we have learned is 4 things. What we have learned about basic. Anyone having doubt in this of circles? What we are using in circles and all we have studied in last class.
Yes.
Just like radius, sector, segment. There are 8 points over here: radius, sector, segment, arc, and then tangent, chord, circumference, and diameter. Chord. Anyone having doubt in any part of this? Circumference, diameter. Okay.
Sir, I'm not that used to
These are the 4 things. What
sector
we
and arc.
8 things. Anyone having doubt in this sector and arc? You are not able to understand, right? These all points, and you rest all is fine to you.
Yeah.
Harini, see, there are 8 points over here: radius, sector, segment,
sir.
arc, tangent, chord, everything. Circumference, and diameter. 8 points. Anyone having doubt in any part of this? Okay.
Sir,
See, sector
I'm
is a
not
piece of
that
cake
used
here.
to
Chavan, like
sector
if you
and
know,
arc.
your complete cake will be there. No, okay. If you
Sector and
cut
arc, you
like
are not able to
radius kind of
understand, right?
thing, so the area enclosed
Rest
by
all
the
is
2
fine to
radius
you?
and arc.
Yeah.
Arc is nothing but circle
Harini,
part only. I'll tell you once again.
Yes, sir.
You know everything in this, all the
Arc, if you talk about arc over here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, sector is a piece of cake here, Chavan. Like if you know, your complete cake will be there. No, if you cut like radius kind of circle, right? So the area enclosed by the 2 radius and
from here
arc.
to here. Suppose
Arc
you
is
write it
nothing
from
but
here to here.
circle
This
part
part is
only.
there arc.
I'll tell you once
If
again.
you're
If you're drawing a circle by the help of compass,
Okay.
right? Arc, if you talk about by the help of compass, if you draw any arc, you'll draw no arc by the compass.
Yes.
So that how much you draw, that is your arc. See, only one. This from this
Okay.
is circle, right? That's its arc. So arc
right.
means one part of the circle. From
Okay.
here to
No,
here,
I
suppose
thought
you're
it
writing
was like
from
a
here to here. This
specific
part is
length
their
or
arc.
something.
No, this is
If
arc.
you're
This
drawing a
comes from here
circle
to
by the
here.
help of compass, right?
And how to and this sector by the help of compass,
Sector
if
is
you
just
draw
a
any
piece of
arc,
thickness.
you'll draw
This
no
is your
arc
own
by the
this is
compass.
a radius, right?
And
Yes.
followed by the
So
circumference.
that
how much area is
draw,
covering
that
under
is your
this?
arc.
That is your
See,
only one. This from this
Okay.
case you drawn. That's its arc.
Right.
So last class we have learned that
Okay. No,
what
I
is the
thought it
area
was
of
like a
sector,
specific length or
what is the
something.
length of
No, no,
arc. This is arc. This come from
Now
here to
Prince
here.
will tell us
And how
what
to,
is the area of
and this
sector,
sector.
Prince?
Sector
Sir,
is just a
theta
piece
upon
of thickness.
360
This is
into
your
pi
own.
r
This is
square.
your radius, right?
Yeah.
What is area of circle?
And
You know,
followed by
Shaman,
the
right?
circumference.
How much area is covering under this? That is your
Yeah.
sector. Okay. Area of circle, you know, pi r square, right? So last class we have learned that
Yes,
what
sir.
is the area of sector. So what part of
What
the
is
circle?
the length of
what
arc?
part of the circle
Now
is
Prince
sector?
will tell us.
So we just multiply.
What is the
with
area of
This is
sector,
like the
Prince?
angle, the number
Sir,
of the
theta
angle
upon
divided
360
by
into
360,
pi r
then enter
square.
the
Yeah.
circle.
What is area of circle? You know, Shaman, right?
Yes.
Thing.
Yes. Theta by
Yeah.
360 into pi
Area
r
of
square.
circle,
You
that's
know,
all.
pi r square, right? If angle is 60 degree over here,
Yes, sir.
you have to use 60
So
by
what
360
part of the
into pi r
circle?
square. What part of the circle is sector? And same
So
way
we
we
just
have to multiply
multiply
with
So
the
this
arc.
is like the angle, the number
If
of
this
the
is the
angle
length of
divided
arc
by
from here to
360,
here,
then
so
enter
center will
the
be here, right?
circles.
So what is the angle
Yes.
over
Same.
here? The same thing we should use here
Yes.
also. Theta by 360 into pi
Theta
r
by
square, that's
360
into
two
if
pi
angle
r.
is 60 degree over here, that is circumference of
You have
the
to use
circle.
60
by 360 into
pi r
total
square.
circumference of the circle is nothing but 2 pi r. And same way we have to do
And
for length
arc
of
is
the
nothing
arc
but
also.
theta
By 360 into if this is the length of arc
2
from here to
pi
here.
r.
So center will be here. I think it's
Right.
clear to everyone now. So what is the angle over here? Pranaya. Same thing we should use here also. Still you're
Theta
not
by
on the
360
camera. Still you're not
2
on.
pi r.
Sir, I
That
turned the
is
camera on
circumference of the
like 2
circle.
times and then your voice started
Total
to break, so I
circumference of
turned
the
it off.
circle is nothing but 2 pi r. Okay, fine. And arc is nothing but theta by 360 into 2 pi
So
r. Now we have, I think it's clear.
Anyone
To
having
everyone
doubt in
now?
all
these 8 sectors like
Pranaya.
radius, sector, segment, arc. Still you're not.
What
on
is
the
Yes, sir.
tangent here? Still you're
Shaman,
not
tell
on.
me.
What is
Sir, I
Like the
turned the
line
camera on
the
like 2 times and
outside
then your voice
connecting with the
started to break,
circle.
so I turned it off.
Like
Harini,
touching the
fine.
circle.
Yeah. Harini, you, what is tangent?
So it's any straight
So
line
now
that
we
connects
have
to any point
anyone having doubt in
of
all these
the
8
circle.
sectors like radius, sector,
Any point of
segment,
circle,
arc? Only one point, right? What is tangent
Yes,
here?
sir,
Chaman,
like
tell me.
one
What is
Like
secant?
the
You know what is
line
secant?
just outside
S-E-C-A-N-T.
connecting
What
with
is
the
secant?
circle.
No, sir.
Like
Harini, any one of you
touching
can tell me what is secant? Yeah. Harini,
Can
you,
I?
what is tangent? Yes, tell.
So it's any straight
Secant is
line that
basically a
connects
line
to
segment
any
which
point
passes
of
through 2
the
points of the
circle.
circle.
Any point of circle, only
Line
one
segment
point,
or
right?
line?
Yes, sir, like
A line which, sorry, a line
Then
which
what is
passes
secant? You know what
through
is secant?
like 2 points of a circle.
S-E-C-A-N-T. What is secant? Yes, if it's a circle, right?
No, sir.
Any
So
one
this
of
is
you can tell
passing
me
like
what is
this.
secant?
This
This is your
Can I?
secant. Okay. Yes,
So
tell.
isn't that a chord as
Secant
well?
is basically a line
Chord
segment
is
which
Sure.
line
passes
segment
through 2
which
points
touches
of
the
the
circumference.
circle.
This is chord.
Okay,
Line
sir.
segment or line? So
A line
chord
which, sorry, a line
ends
which passes through
at the
like 2 points of a
circumference of
circle.
circle, but
Yes,
secant will
if
be
this
just
passes
passes through it. So this is passing like this.
See
This
on
is
your
your
camera.
secant. Okay.
So
Sir, I'm
isn't
taking
that a
phone,
chord
sir.
as well?
Chord
Taking
is
with
line
phone,
segment. Then answer me.
which
What is
touches
your
the circumference.
area of
This is
arc?
chord.
Is length of the arc. Tell me the
Okay,
formula.
sir.
So chord ends length of the arc at the
What is the formula of length of arc?
circumference of circle, but secant will be just passes through it. See this tree on your camera. Huh?
Sir, I'm taking with phone, sir.
Taking with phone. Then answer me. What is your area
If you're
of
having
arc?
doubts,
Length
something like
of
that,
the
you
arc.
message me in the
Tell
chat
the formula.
box.
Okay. Now length of the
What
arc.
is segment?
What is the formula of length of arc? Siddhant, what is segment? You tell me now.
Sir, segment is the area which is created by a chord on the circle. Like there is a chord in a circle,
If you're having
and
doubts,
the
something like that, you message
area
in the
made.
chat
So
box.
there is two
Okay. Now,
segments.
what is segment?
Major and minor.
Siddhant, what is
Okay,
segment? You tell me now.
Sir, segment is the area which is created by a chord on the circle. Like there is a chord in a circle, and the
Yes, tell me, Varshita,
area
what
made.
is
So there
segment?
is two segments, major
So
and
it's a
minor.
section which is created by a chord.
Okay, fine.
Is known as the segment where there is major as well as minor.
Okay, means the area between chord and the circumference of the circle, right?
Yes.
So area
Yes, tell me,
between
Varshita,
chord
what is
and
segment?
circumference of the circle is nothing but this is known as what? Segment.
So it's a section which is created by
So
a
segment is
chord.
also two parts. This is
Is
also
known
one
as the
segment,
segment where
right?
there is
So this is known as my
major as well
major
as minor.
segment. Okay,
Okay.
this part is known as
Means
what? Major
the
segment.
area between
This is known as
chord
chord
and
and
the
the circumference of the circle, right?
Yes.
How to find the area of segment? So area between chord
again from
and
the center, you
circumference
just
of the circle make
is
one
nothing but
triangle over
this
here.
is
Is known as what? Segment. Triangle.
So
segment is also two
sector.
parts.
This
This is
complete
also one
part
segment,
becomes
sector,
right?
right? So this is known
So
as
area of
major
sector
segment.
minus area
Okay,
of
this part is known as what?
triangle.
Major segment. Area
This
of
is known
sector
as
minus
minor
area of
segment,
triangle is
okay?
nothing but area of segment. How to
Clear?
find the area of segment? Again from the center,
Okay,
you just
now we move further.
make one triangle over here. Triangle. So sector, this complete part becomes sector, right? So area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector minus area of
theorem number
triangle is
one.
nothing but area of segment. Clear? The perpendicular from the center,
Okay,
perpendicular
now
from
we
the
move
center of the
further.
circle to a chord, bisect the chord. What do you mean by this, Orosmith? This theorem number one is, see, theorem number one. The perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle.
From the center,
The perpendicular from the center of the circle to a chord, to a chord, bisect the chord. What do you mean by this, Orosmith?
Sir, it divides the chord into two equal parts.
This theorem number one is, it divides the chord into the perpendicular
equal
drawn,
half,
right, from the
Like
center of the
this.
circle. Yes. The perpendicular
same
drawn
circle
from the
I'm just drawing
center
over
of the
this circle.
circle to a chord, bisect the chord. This is a chord. Perpendicular from center. If draw perpendicular to this line,
Sir, it divides
okay,
the chord into two equal parts.
then this line divides into two equal half. We have to prove. It divides the chord into. We have to prove that this perpendicular from the center.
Two equal halves.
Perpendicular from the center
So the same
of the
circle I'm
circle,
just drawing over this is circle.
divide the chord into two equal halves. This is a chord. So these two triangles we have to prove draw perpendicular to this congruent, right? Okay. You know what is congruency? Then this line divides into two equal half. We have
Yes,
to
sir,
prove.
we have done
Okay.
this chapter already.
We have to prove that this perpendicular from the center.
Yes, sir.
Perpendicular from the center of the circle. These two triangles are congruent. Divide the chord into two equal halves. Okay. Bisecting
Sir,
into two equal halves. So these two triangle we have to prove
Wait,
this
we can
both are
just
what?
say OC is equals
Congruent,
to
right?
OA because
You know
both
what is
radiuses
congruency you
are
have read,
same.
all of you?
Then since
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
yes,
we
yes,
have
yes.
done this
Next.
chapter already.
and then
Chavan, you have done congruency.
AB is equals to
Yes, sir.
BC because it's a
Okay.
line segment.
So we
and
have
it
to
divided
prove these
them
two
equally
triangles are
into-
congruent. No, that is we should then we can say also
No,
this is
because
what?
we can just take the 90
Bisecting
degree
into
angle
two
over
equal
there.
half.
We can just say
Wait,
that
we
as
can just
X,
say
then that
OC is
other one
equals
is
to
X as
OA
well.
because
So
both
but
radiuses
2X
are
into
same.
180, then
Then
both of
since
them
Yes,
are
we just
equal
need to
both
draw
are
the
lines.
circle here.
And then
Okay. So
AB is equals to BC
this part is
because
coming
it's a
like
line
this.
segment and it divided
I'm
them
writing what
equally
you can't
into
say that
half.
we should prove. No, that is we
No,
should
I'm
prove that.
talking
We
about
can't
no
say.
because we can just take the 90 degree
Proving of
angle
this
over
only,
there.
right?
We
You're
can
talking
just
about
say
proving of
that
this,
as
right?
X, then that other one is X
So
as
what
well.
we
So
can do is
but
that
2X
first
into
we can
180,
tell
then
that
both of them are
OA
90.
If
So
you're
both
drawing a
of them.
circle here,
oh no
okay.
wait,
So
OB is equal because
this part
it's
is
the
coming like
common
this.
side and 90
I'm writing
degrees
what you
because
told
it's
right now.
perpendicular.
0,
No, I'm
So it's
talking
equal.
about
yes, proving
oh
of
yeah,
this
we
only,
can
right?
do S,
You're talking about
AS
proving
as
of this,
well.
right? Yeah. So
So what we can do is that first
so
we
here
can
we
tell
can
that
prove by RHS,
OA
right?
equals to oh no wait, OB is
Yes, sir.
equal
We can
because
prove
it's
by
the
RHS. There is
common
no other
side
possibility, I
and
think.
90 degrees
AS also
because
we
it's
can do.
perpendicular. So it's
Angle
Yeah.
angle side also we can do.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh yeah, we can do S. Wait, AS sir, why as cannot well. we do
Yeah.
SAS?
So how we can do SAS? Tell me. So here we can prove by
We
RHS,
can
right?
just say OB is equals to OB, then
Yes,
this
sir,
90
RHS.
degree angle Yes, and this sir. 90
We can prove by
degree
RHS.
angle
There is
are
no other
equal.
possibility, I think.
Then
AS also we can
but
do.
we have to prove AB is equals to
Angle
AC.
angle side also we can do.
Yes.
No, never mind.
Yes. Yeah. So you can do
Wait,
RHS
sir, why
as well as
cannot
AS.
we
You
do
can see these two angles, so we can say these both are equal, because how we can do SAS? These two sides are equal, so two angles are also
And we
equal.
can just say
So you can
OB
prove
is
in
equals
two
to
either ways.
OB,
Either you
then
can prove by
this
RHS
90
or you can
degree
prove
angle
by
and this 90 degree
angle
degree
side.
angle are
Okay.
equal. Then oh, but we have
Is
to
it clear,
prove
theorem
AB
of
is
one?
equals to AC. We cannot.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can do
Wait, sir,
RHS
how do
as
you
well as
prove it
AS.
with the
You can see
angle
these two
angle
angles, so we
side?
can say these both are equal, because these two
side
sides
right
are
here,
equal,
see.
so two angles are also
If
equal.
you know that if
So you can
two sides
prove
are
in
equal,
two either ways. Either
that
you
is
can prove by
radius, right?
RHS or you can prove by
So two angles are also
angle
equal, you know
side.
that?
Okay.
Oh,
Is it
okay.
clear, theorem of one? In
Makes
isosceles triangle, what
sense.
happens? In
Yes,
isosceles
sir.
triangle, if two sides are equal,
Wait, sir, how
you
do
can
you
prove
prove
two
it
angles
with
are
the
also
angle
equal, right?
side? Yes.
Angle side right here. See. So one angle,
If
then
you
again
know
90
that
degree
if two
angle and one
sides are
side is
equal,
there. So angle
that is
angle side.
radius, right? That's all. So two angles are
Yes.
also equal, you know that?
Oh, okay.
So
In
now in
Makes
isosceles triangle,
sense.
what
converse
happens?
of this.
In isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, you can prove two angles are also equal, right?
That
CPCT.
yes,
Yes.
here.
Second theorem
So
is
one
angle, then again 90
the
degree
line
angle and one
drawn
side
from
is there.
center of the
Triangle
circle.
angle side. That's all. Bisect the chord is perpendicular to the chord. So now next
here we prove
converse
that
of this one is 90 degree over here. Okay. We have to prove that
CPCT.
the
yes,
point
here.
coming from the
Second
center of the
theorem is
circle,
the line
which is
drawn
falling
from
on the
center
chord
of the
is 90
circle.
degree. We have to prove that now.
So
So how
we
do
can take each angle
bisect
as
the
x,
chord
then we
is
can
perpendicular
we
to the
know that
chord.
that's a perfect line, so we can just be
Means
like
here we prove
x
that
plus
this
x
one
is
is
equals
90
to
degree over here.
180.
Okay.
Then x is equals to
With
90
similarity,
to
you will use
prove that
first to prove the both the triangles. With
point
similarity,
coming
you will
from the
use center of the circle, which is falling on the chord is 90 degree.
with
We have to
similarity
prove that
use.
now. Aman, on your
So how do
camera.
we take each angle as x? Then we can we know that that's a perfect line, so we can just be like
No,
x plus
sir, we
x
can
is
say
equals to 180.
OBA is
Then
equals to
x is
X
equals
and
to
With
90
similarity, you will
degree,
use first
and
to prove the
C
both the
also
triangles. With
x as
similarity, you
well.
will use
So we
OAC,
can
right?
add both. Oh.
With
We
similarity
don't know
you
if they're
use.
equal.
Aman, on your camera. This x and x we know, no? Equal. Because both sides are
No, we
equal.
have to prove that OBC is equals to 90 degree, right?
No,
We
sir,
have to
we can
prove.
say
We have to
The
prove.
OBA
No, so we
is
can take
equals to
OBC
X
as
and
x, so that's what I'm
OB
saying. And C
so
also
we can
x
take
as well.
SA as
OAC,
So we can
right?
congruency,
add both.
right?
Yes,
Of
yes.
SA.
Yeah, because that will be
We
equal,
don't know
then
if
the
they're
angle
equal.
will be equal, then
See,
AB
before
will
taking
be
x and
equal.
x, we know, before taking x and all, you have to
Because both
prove
sides
these
are
No, we
two
have to
triangles
prove
are
that
similar.
OBC is
Okay.
equals to 90 degree, right?
Because without
we
proving
have to
both the
prove.
triangles,
We
you
have
can't
to
relate
prove.
that
Yes.
90
No, so
degree
we can
angle is
take
x and x.
OBC as
Okay.
x, so that's what I'm saying.
First
So
of all, you
we
should
can
prove
take
these both
SA as
triangles are similar,
congruency, right?
congruent. By
As
which
a-
similarity you can prove? Tell
Yeah,
me.
because that will be equal, then the angle will be equal. Then
See,
AB
before
will
taking
be
x,
equal.
Shavan, before taking x and all, you have to
In
prove
triangle,
these two
here,
triangles are
triangle.
similar. Okay.
Okay.
Because without proving both the
In
triangles, you can't relate
triangle
that 90 degree
OBA
angle is x and x.
and
Okay. Triangle OBC. Okay.
First
First of all, you should prove these both triangles are similar,
OA
congruent.
is
So we
equals
can do
By which
SSS
similarity you can
as
prove?
well,
Tell me.
because there is one common side OB.
SAS on this, right?
SS. Yeah, OB is equals to OB.
in
We can
triangle
write
here,
here in triangle.
Wait, can we also write AB is
In
equals to
triangle
BC?
OBA. Yes, we can write. It's given the
and
question.
Oh,
only.
then SSS.
Triangle OBC. So we can
Okay.
write by SSS. Congruency.
OA is
So we
equals
can do
to
SSS as well, because there is
So if
one
two
common
triangles are
side
congruent, you can write here
OB.
now triangle OBA. Yeah, OB is equals to OB. We can write here.
is
Congruent to triangle
Wait, can we also write AB is equals to BC?
OBC. Yes, we can write. It's given the question.
Oh,
only.
then
So now we can
SSS
write here what you
So
told.
we
No,
can
now
write
by
by
SSS. Like angle OBA
congruency
is equals to angle OBC is equals to x. Now we can write.
So
By
if
two triangles are
CPCT,
congruent,
right?
right here
By
now
CPCT
triangle
you
you
can
can
say
say because both triangles are
OBA
equal.
is
Yes.
Congruent. Now we can write x plus x is equals to 180.
OBC.
That is linear pair. So now we can write here. So x plus
what
x is
you
2x,
told, no,
2x
now
equals to 180.
like angle OBA
X is equals to 90
angle
degree.
OBC
Now it's
is
got
equals
to
to
x. Now we can write by CPCT, right? By CPCT you can say because both triangles are equal. Is it clear to everyone? Now we can write x plus x is equals to 180. That is linear pair. So x plus x is 2x. 2x equals to 180. People are not writing anywhere, right? X is equals to 90 degree. Now it's got
No,
proof.
sir. I have a book. Should I write in it?
Okay. And this one, then I'll write this. Just send the notes there. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yeah, because it's only the theorems, right? I wrote it in my book already.
Anda ho gaya, hello. You people are not writing anywhere, right? I'll send this one in this one.
No,
WhatsApp
sir.
group only. Okay, you are then in
I
WhatsApp group,
have
right?
a
Added,
book. Should
no?
I write
Chavan? Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this one,
Okay.
then I'll write
Next.
Just send the notes.
Next
there.
one
This-
is
Neha, jalebi khai?
Yeah, because it's only the theorems, right? I wrote it in my book already.
Anda ho gaya, hello. I'll send this one in this one. Here the water theorem here says okay, you are then in WhatsApp group, right? Added over here, right? Chavan, if
Yes, sir.
you draw a circle over here, next one is from the center. If chords are equal, if this chord, suppose I'm writing here AB and you're writing CD, okay? So here the water theorem here says AB is equal to having chord over here, right? If you draw a circle over here, then what we can write here from the center.
The
And
essay,
if chords are equal, if this
the
chord,
essay is
suppose I'm writing here
congruency.
AB and you're writing CD.
Yeah,
What
because
key opposite angle?
Yes.
yeah.
I'm not proving this. I'm saying this. So
if
AB is
I
equals
write
to
here,
CD. AB is equals to CD. Then these both angles are also what? Equal. Okay.
Equal.
Then
Typically
what we can
opposite.
write here? And
The
arc also.
essay-
Angle AB, arc AB is equals to what?
The essay is
Arc
congruency.
CD.
And CD.
So this you remember. Okay.
Yeah,
What
because
key opposite angle?
Yes.
Sir, we're
I'm
trying.
not proving this. I'm
Can
saying
we
this.
say
If
So
AB
then
is equals to
arc
CD,
AC
OA is
equals
equal
to
to
arc
then
BD.
AC and BD angles are also right now just equal. This much only. Okay.
Equal.
Which is
Typically opposite.
arc which is coming under this now that we are considering over
arc
here,
also.
okay? AB arc
Sir,
AB
but we're
is
trying
equals
to
to
prove the
what?
triangle's congruency, right?
CD.
Why are we
CD.
taking this arc?
We are not
So this you
proving
remember,
congruency.
okay?
We're just
Yeah.
proving that we're just finding out that if
Sir, we're trying.
chords are equal,
Can we say
So then
angles also
arc
subtended by
AC
equal, and this
equals
arc
to
also
arc
will be equal.
BD.
That's all.
We're not
AC and
proving
BD leave off.
angles are
Right now,
congruent.
just think this much only, okay?
Or
Which
We
is
can also say
arc which is
OA
coming under this now that we are considering over here, okay?
Because
Sir, but
it's a
we're trying
We
to
are not
prove the
proving.
triangle's
Chavan, we are not
congruency,
proving
right?
this
Why are
and
we
this both
taking
are
this
similar.
arc?
We are not
congruent.
proving congruency. We're just proving
We are
that.
just
Telling that finding out that if
arc are
chords
also
are
equal.
equal, if angles also subtended by equal,
chords
and
are
this arc
equal,
also will be
your
equal.
angles
That's all.
also in the
We're
middle
not
is
proving
equal
as well as your
angles are
arc also
congruent.
equal. That's all.
Wait,
Sir,
we can also say remember that filling inside of we also had like the whole thing
We are
was
not
black,
proving. We
but
are
the
Chavan, we are
arc-
not proving this and this both are
we can
similar,
also say
congruent. We are
these
not proving
both are
that.
equal, then the
We
arc
are
will
just
also
telling
be
that
equal.
this
We can
if
say that
arc
are
so
also
if
equal.
here if AB is less than CD, chords are equal, your
then
angles
angle
also in the middle is
AOB
equal as well
is
as
less
your arc
than
also
angle
equal.
COD.
That's all. Okay.
Wait, we can also say remember
And
that
arc
filling
AB is what?
inside of we
Say
also
less than
had
what?
like
Arc
the
CD.
whole thing was black, but
If
the
it is
arc
less, then
we can
your
also
angles
say
also
since
will
these
be at
both are
less.
equal, then the arc will also be equal. We can say that, right?
So if
Okay.
here if AB is less than CD, so like this, we are not proving that then angle AOB or triangles are equal, congruent or longitudinal. Only such small theorem I'm telling you. And arc
See,
AB
what is
is
mentioned over here, try to
less than
understand
what?
this
Arc
theorem.
theorem. If it is this less,
Two
then
equal chords.
angles also will be at less of circle are equal distance from the center. So like this, we are not proving that
If two equal
circles are
chords
there that are equal
triangles
distance
are
from the
equal,
center also.
congruent
This
or
line if you draw,
longitudinal,
only such small
this also
theorem
will
I'm
be
telling
what?
you.
Equal only.
So that
See, what
also
is
you can
mentioned
just
over here, try to
understand this theorem.
Oh, okay.
Two equal chords. So if you draw a line to this, of circle are equal distance from the center. Right here F, and here you write E. If two equal chords are there that are equal distance from the center also. This line if you draw, no, OE, this also will be what? Equal only. So that also you can just understand. OE is equals to what?
Oh, okay.
OF. This is F. So if you draw a line to this, and here is right, OE is less than draw a line to this. This part also you can write over here. And here you write E. Sorry, E you write here. I think it's clear to everyone. So you can write here. OE. Pranaya, clear? Pranaya is
Yes,
OE
sir.
is equals to what? If one chord is given, if chords are equal, then everything is equal. If chord is less, that part consecutive, that part is what? And here is right, less, less, more, more. Siddhant is clear to you? This part also you can write over here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Same thing is here also. Equal chords of a circle subtend, equal angles at the center. Pranaya, clear? Pranaya. Same what we discussed right
Yes,
now.
sir.
The same thing is mentioned over here. If one chord is given, you can prove if you want, you can prove that everything is equal. If chord is less, that part consecutive, that part is what?
less,
Alright.
more,
Proving part
more.
also you
Siddhant,
can
it's
do
clear to you?
by proving that two triangles are
Yes, sir.
similar and all. All right. Same thing is here also. Equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. Same what we discussed right now.
Exactly.
The same thing
See,
is
what we
mentioned
have
over
done
here
in
also.
this
You can
whole
prove if you
part,
want,
no,
you can
here.
prove that, and you can just
The
find
same
out,
thing is
okay?
repeating again and again down also.
Same thing is repeating again and again.
Alright.
See, proving part also you can do by proving that two triangles are similar and all.
But sir,
Yes.
how are we able to prove that if like two chords are equal, then the distance like from the center is also equal?
Exactly. See what
Okay,
we have
what
done
is your
in
question? I'll write
this
here
whole
first.
part, no, here. Tell me your question. How
The
chords
same
are
thing
equal? You're
is
repeating again and again down
So
also.
like if we
Same
have a
thing is
circle
repeating
and then
again
we
and
draw
again.
two
See.
chords of equal length, how can we prove like if it's given for
But
3 to
sir,
5 marks in the exam, how can we
Yes.
prove that there's
how
it's
are
like
we able to prove
the
that
equal
if like
distance
two
from the
chords
center
are
equal, then the
Okay.
distance like
I
from
understood
the
your question
center is
right here.
also
Given what you're
equal.
saying, that I'll write here. Okay. What is your question? I'll write here first. You given that. Tell me your question.
What is
How
given?
chords are
Tell me.
equal? You're saying chords are equal.
So like if we have a circle
Yes,
and
sir,
then
the
we draw
chords
two
are
chords of
equal length.
equal
Okay.
length,
Chords is given
how
as
can we
equal.
prove
Next.
like if it's given for 3 to 5 marks in
What
the
is given
exam,
in the
how can we
question?
prove
Chords are
that
equal.
there's
Next.
it's like and
The
then
equal
we have
distance
to
from the
prove
center.
that like
Okay.
the
I
distance
understood
from
your
the
question
center
right
is
here. Given
equal.
what you're saying, that I'll write here. Okay. Distance is equal. You have to prove, right? You given that.
Yes,
What is the
sir.
given? Tell me. So in this triangle, chords are equal. Let this is a
Yes, sir,
distance.
the chords are of equal length.
Okay. Chords is given as equal. Next, I'll write here. This is E. And what is given in the question? Chords are equal. Next.
And then we have
So
to
in these
prove
two
that
triangles, we can compare these two
like
triangles,
the
right?
distance from the center is equal.
You know
Okay,
this
distance
is
is equal. You have to prove,
chord
right?
divides into this part. You know, right?
Yes, sir.
So in
Yes,
this
sir.
triangle, I just
This
let
is 90
this
degree,
is a
you know, right?
distance,
Yes.
right? Then you can prove no by RHS only.
right
Right
here,
here,
this
this
is
is
equal to
E
this, right?
and this is F.
Wait, sir, but then we'll have to draw all the
So in this two triangle, we can
triangles as
compare these
well
two
in the
triangles, right?
test.
You know this
So
is
for-
if
No, if they
chord
don't give
divides
us
into this
triangles,
part, you
then
know,
how
right?
do we prove that
What is
both
not
support-
given? No, that you can. This is 90 degree. You know, right? By theorem, you can
Yes.
let that. By
Then
theorem,
you can prove
this is
no,
equal
by
to
RHS
this.
only
Is
got
equal to
proved,
this. This
that's
is
all.
equal to this, right?
Oh,
In question,
wait,
if
sir,
it is
but
not
then
given, you have to
we'll
let from your
draw
side only.
all the triangles
Except
as
what they are
well in the
to prove
test.
they're given. No, except that you can let anything whatever you want.
To pro-
Okay, except
No,
this.
if they don't give us triangles,
Except
then
this,
how
you
do
can
we
let what
prove
is
that
not given. What
both
is not
support-
given? No, that you can.
So, but
You can
then
just
for that we have
see
to
by
prove
theorem
that
you can
angle,
let that. By
triangle
theorem, this is
AOB
equal
is
to
equal
this.
to
This is equal to this.
triangle
That's all.
POQ, right?
In
Oh,
question,
Yes,
if it is not
you can
given, you
prove
have to
no,
let
that
from
is.
your
See,
side
these
only.
two
Two sides are equal, right? Except what they are to
This
prove
is
they're
equals
given.
to
No,
this,
except
right?
that you can let anything whatever
Vertically
you
But
over
then
want.
we're
triangle,
Okay,
supposed
except
to.
this. Except this, you can let
So,
what is
but then
not
we're
given.
supposed to prove that the rate, the distance from the chord is
But
equal.
then for that
not
we have
like
to prove
the
that angle.
triangle AOB
Right.
is equal to
Is
triangle
given there is
POQ,
here
right?
what with theorem we have anything.
Yes,
This will
you
just
can
tell
prove
you
no,
right
that
now.
is.
See, these two sides are equal, right?
We'll go one by one right now.
This is
wait.
equals to this,
So like
right?
once can you go up? I'm talking
Vertically
about.
over
But then we're
angles also
supposed.
can prove.
Yeah, yeah.
So, but then we're supposed to prove that the
This
rate,
theorem is clear to you.
the distance from the
This
chord is
one.
equal, not like the triangles.
This theorem is clear.
Yes.
You can do this. It's given
Yes,
there
sir.
is here
You want to
what
prove all
theorem
this?
we
Tell me.
have anything.
One by
This
one
will
we'll
just
go.
tell you right now. Equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the
We'll go
center.
one
This you
by
can do.
one right now. Wait.
So like once can you
Yes,
go
sir.
up? I'm talking about this.
If you want me to prove, I just
Yeah,
prove
yeah.
right now only. Okay, this part is over. Next, so this theorem is clear to you that subtend equal angle at the center. This theorem is clear.
Yeah, the contours.
You can do this.
Yes, sir.
Equal in
You want
length.
to
Can you
prove all
prove
this? Tell
this?
me.
One by one will go. Equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. This you can do. Which question you
Yes,
want
sir.
to let me prove? I just prove.
If you
right
want
now.
me to prove, I just prove right
prove
now
this
only.
one.
Okay, this
So
part is
prove
over.
and tell.
Next, chords
No,
that
can you
subtend
prove
equal
this
angle at the
one?
center. Which one?
This one, the one you put check on.
contours.
Second one, this one. Equal in length. Can you prove this?
Yes.
All right. See what is given over here. That given you write first here. What is given? Which question you want to let me prove? I just
What
prove
is
But
right
can
now.
you also
Prove
tell
this
that
one.
AO equals
Shall I
to
prove and tell?
OQ?
No, can
Because
you
like
prove
they
this
give
one?
at
They are
the
the radius of which one? Yeah.
This one, the one you put check
The
on.
second one, this one. So given is given that chord that
Yes.
subtend equal angle at the center.
All right.
So angle A.
See, what is given
over here?
is
That
equals
given you
to
right
angle
first here.
POQ
What
is
is given?
given.
Right. Let me tell me.
Yes.
What is
But
given?
can you
To
also
prove
tell that AO equals to
so equal in length.
OQ?
Center. The chord of
Because
circle
like
subtend
they
in
give
center.
at
They are the
the
radius of circle. Yeah. Chords are equal. You should prove. AB is equals to PQ. We have to prove given is given a chord that subtend equal
So which
angle
triangle
at
should
center.
consider
So
here?
angle
Tell me.
AOB is equals to angle
In triangle
POQ is given, right?
AOB
and triangle
Yes,
to
sir.
prove POQ. OP
Such
is equal in
equals
length.
to
Center, the chord of the circle
AO is equals
center of
to
the circle are equal in length. Chords are equal.
OA is
AP
equals to
OQ.
PQ.
Correct. We have to prove this one, right?
Yes,
Next
sir.
angle we
So
can
which
write
triangle
here.
should
Consider here,
AOP.
Rania, tell me. Is equals to angle AOQ. In
POQ,
triangle,
that's all right.
AOB
Yes, and by
and triangle
CPCT,
huh,
like SAS congruency and by
POQ.
Say
CPCT, we
OA is
OP is
equals to
equals
OB
to
as
OB.
well, because both of them are
AO is
radius, then
equals
if
to
two sides in a triangle are equal, the third
OA
one
is
has
equals
to
to
be
OA is equals
equal.
to OB, you can't
Correct.
write. OA is because you can't
Yes.
compare
Angle
the
we
same
can write
triangle.
here.
Same triangle radius you
OB.
can't compare, right? Is equals to angle AOQ.
Oh,
POQ.
OA
That's
is
all
equals
right. So what you should write?
Yes,
OQ
and by
and this equals
CPCT,
to this. Okay. We
like
are comparing
But
SAS
two
then
different triangles,
congruency and
right?
by
say
CPCT, we
OA is equals to OB as well, because both
So
of them are
triangle
radius, then if two sides in a
POQ.
triangle are equal, the third one has to be
OA is
equal.
equals to OB, you can't
Then we can write here
OA is
what?
because you can't compare the same triangle. No, same triangle radius you can't compare, right? So
Oh,
OA is equals to what you should write?
What is given there, you can
OQ,
write.
Sorry, AB is
And
equals
this
to
equals to
PQ. We
this,
can write
okay?
CPCT.
We are comparing
oh,
two
then
different
Rania,
triangles, right?
got cleared how to do? Rania.
So this was
So triangle
my doubt. So
POQ.
once can you go
Then
up?
we can write here what?
Like scroll up.
Wait. Yes.
Not this one, like up.
What is given there, you can write? Sorry, AB is equals to PQ. We can write CPCT.
So this one.
Rania, got cleared
What
how
I
to do?
told here in
Rania, this one you are
So
saying.
this was yes. How can we prove that the length is equal to the distance? Once
Actually,
can
you
you
mean
go
to
up?
say length from
Like
the
scroll up.
center of the circle, this
Yes.
perpendicular distance you are saying, right?
Yes, sir. Not this one, like up.
You mean to say this one.
Yes.
So this one.
If AB, what I told here in this one, you are saying equals to CD, right? First
Yes,
I'll
sir.
write here.
How can we prove that the
AB
length
is
is
equals
equal
to
to the
CD.
distance?
Actually, you mean to say length from the center of the circle, this perpendicular distance you are saying, right?
Yes, sir.
You want to understand this length are equal. This length and this length are equal, you are saying, right? If AB, correct, no?
Yes,
Is
sir.
equals to
Yeah.
CD, right?
Yes.
First I'll write here. So what you do, I'll just tell you right now. AB is equals to CD. Which triangles? This triangle, only this triangle you see. Don't take complete triangle. This is O. This is E and this is F. I'm taking
You
only
want to understand this
triangle
length
are equal. This length and this length are equal, you are saying,
OEC.
right? And a triangle OFB. Clear? Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Only these two
Yeah.
triangles I'm
Yes.
considering. Only
So
half
what you
of part
do,
of
I'll
this,
just
okay?
tell you right now. Which triangles? This triangle, only this
Clear?
triangle you see. Don't take complete triangle. This is O.
Yes, sir.
So in these
This
two
is
triangles,
E
what
and
we
this
can
is
write?
F.
OC is equals to
I'm
OB,
taking
correct?
only
Triangle radii of the circle
OEC.
and a triangle OFB. Okay, clear? Next, what you can write?
Only these two
Yes.
triangles I'm considering. Only half of part of this, okay?
CE. C is half of that, right?
Clear?
C is half of CD.
Yes, sir.
So in these two triangles, what you can write? OC is equals to OB, correct? BF radii of the circle. Half of what? AB, correct? Okay. So you can write
Yes, sir.
here. Next, what you can write? CE is equals to CE BF, correct or not? C is half of that, right?
Yes, sir.
C is half two sides you got right now. Okay. And the next BF is angle half of what? OCE, correct? So is equals to
Yes.
angle. You can write here OCE that angle equals to BF, correct or not? Because
Yes, sir.
why we can write here as so two sides you got right now. OC is equals to OD and the next OA is equals to OB. If two sides are equal, then your angles are also equal. Understood? OCE
Yes.
is equals to by angle. Side, what do you got? By side angle side it got proved. OCE by side angle side OBF. Triangle OEC because is congruent to why we can write here OFB. As OC is equals to steps. OC is equals to OD. First step and second step OA is
So,
equals to OB. If two sides are equal, then your angles are also equal. Understood? No?
Yes.
Yeah,
No, how
sir,
are we
we can-
taking
So by
these
side,
angles?
what do you got? By
Alright.
side angle
Which
side.
step?
Got
Step
proved.
number you tell
By
me.
side angle side.
Fourth one, sir.
Triangle
Like if you're considering
OEC
triangles OCE and
is congruent
OFB,
to triangle
then how are we
OFB.
taking like
Pranay, you have
OD?
doubt any steps? We are taking the two triangles. First
To
step,
prove these two triangles are
second step.
similar,
So,
but
then-
to prove this
And
much
by
angle,
CPCT
we are
you can
taking this
write here,
complete
no?
part. No problem in that. What is there
Yeah,
in
no,
this?
how
sir,
are we
we can-
taking these
Suppose
angles?
This is a
Alright.
triangle. Which step? Which step number you tell me? If these two are equal, we
Fourth
can.
one, sir, like
This
if you're
will be equal,
considering
no? These two
triangles
angles are equal,
OCE
right?
and OFB, then how are we taking like ODs?
Yeah, that's right. So
We are taking the two triangles. To prove these two triangles are similar, but
Oh,
if
okay, okay,
this
got
much
it,
angle,
got
we are taking this complete part. No problem in that. What is there in that?
Sir,
Suppose
can't
this
we
is a
use
triangle. Okay.
Pythagoras theorem as well?
If these two are
Yeah,
equal, we can,
Pythagoras theorem also you
this
can
will be
find.
equal,
Yes,
no? These
correct.
two angles are equal, right?
Sir, RHS also we can do.
Okay,
See,
yeah, that's
RHS,
right,
right
sir.
hand angle side. Yes, RHS is very easy. RHS
Sir,
was much
we
clear
can't
actually.
use RHS
Okay,
because
okay,
we
got
have
it,
to
got it.
prove that they both are equal, right?
Yeah, no. We have to prove
Sir,
only
can't
this
we use
line is equal. That's all.
Pythagoras
You can prove in
theorem
place
as
of
well?
fourth
Yeah.
one.
Yeah,
Pranay, if you
Pythagoras
have doubt
theorem
in
also you
fourth
can
one,
find.
you can
Yes,
write
correct.
directly here.
Sir,
RHS part.
RHS also we can do.
90 degree you can take here, okay? RHS, right hand angle
take
side.
here
Yes,
angle
RHS is very easy.
OC.
RHS was much
We
clear
can't
actually.
use
Is equals
RHS
to angle
because
OFP
we have
is
to
equal to 90
prove
degree.
that they both are equal,
Because 90
right?
degree you can write.
No,
You have
no,
to prove
we
these
have to
two
prove
triangles
only
are
this.
line is
You have to
equal.
prove
That's all. You
this.
can prove in place of
Yeah.
fourth O is equals to OF.
No,
Pranay,
no.
if you have doubt in fourth one, you can write
Then you can
directly
take 90
here.
degree, not a problem.
RHS part.
So O is equals to AF.
90 degree you can take here, okay? That's all. Clear? You can take
Yes,
here
sir.
angle
Pranay, is clear to you or not?
OCOEC
Yes, sir.
is
Yeah,
equals to
that's
angle
Yes, sir.
OFP is equal to 90 degree. Because 90 degree you can write. You have to prove these two triangles are.
So this part is
You have to
okay,
prove
okay,
this
okay.
OE is equals to OF, no? Then you can
Okay,
take
next
90 degree,
small,
not
small
a problem.
concept.
This
So
may
O is
not
equals
come
to
in your
AF, you can
textbook.
write
CPCT. That's all.
But
Clear?
for your knowledge purpose, I'm just telling you all these things right now. Okay.
Pranay, is clear to you or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's all.
Yes, sir.
See, this
So
is
this
circle,
part
okay?
is okay, okay.
Yeah. Okay, next small concept. This may not come in
Angle
your
at the
textbook.
center. But for your knowledge purpose, I'm
Is
just
double
telling you
than the
all these things right
circumference.
now. Okay.
See, you should start from A, going to O and coming back to B. Again, similarly, see, this is circle, okay? So angle AOB, angle at the center half of angle ACB is double than
Remember
the
this part.
circumference. See,
Oh,
you
yeah.
should start
Sir,
from
we can just
A,
fold. We did this
going
in
to
our
O and coming back
practical.
to
Like
B.
we
Again,
cut it
similarly,
out and folded it and saw
ACB.
if it is
So
equal or
angle
not.
AOB. I'm not able to hear you. Tell once again. Is equals to
No,
half
in
of angle
school they literally
ACB.
cut the triangle
Remember
and
this
showed
part.
us how it's equal. Oh yeah. Sir, we can like they just cut out angle. We did this in our practical. Like we cut it out and
You can
folded
say
it
here,
and saw if it is equal or not.
I'm not able to hear you. Tell once again. Angle at the
No, in
center
school they literally cut the
is double
triangle
than the
and showed us
circumference
how
angle.
it's
Or
equal.
circumference angle is what?
Like
Or
they
not
just
half
cut
here. I
out
should write here
angle
twice, right? Twice this one.
AO.
You can say here, and so AOB is twice angle of circumference angle will be just half of the center angle. If this is X, angle at the center, this will be how much? X by 2. Is double than the circumference angle. Or circumference
Sir, and
angle
is AC
what?
supposed to be equal
or not
to
half here. I should
BC?
write here twice, right? Twice this one. No. It's not like that. It's not equal. Only a circumference you should see. That's all. AOB is
So
twice
like the
angle of
chords do not
circumference
need
angle
to
will be just
be
half of
equal.
the center angle. If this is X, chords, no, it's not need to be how much? X by 2. Only you
Sir,
should tell that just half. Angle at the
Sir, and
center
is
is
AC supposed to
twice
be
the
equal
angle at the
to
circumference.
BC?
But only one thing is compulsory you should write. No. It's not like that. If it's starting from
not
A,
equal, only
if
a
center
circumference you
angle
should
is
see, that's
starting
all.
from A,
So
coming
like the
back to
chords
B,
do not need
then
to
this
be
angle,
equal.
if I write like this also, no? Chords, no,
going
it's
to
not
here
need to
and
be
coming
equal.
back
Exactly.
here.
Only you should tell that angle at the center
also and coming back
is
here.
twice
just
the
half of
angle
it,
at the
okay?
circumference. But only one thing
It's
is
not
compulsory
compulsory
you
chords
should
are
write.
equal and all.
That if is starting
starting
from
from
A,
A,
center
okay?
angle is starting
Going
from A,
back to here,
coming back to B,
this.
then
Got
this
it?
angle, if I write like this
Yes.
also, no? Half. Anywhere you take. Going till here and coming back here. Clear? This is also what? Half of this. If you take here
Okay,
also and coming back here, it's just half of it. Okay? Angles at the center. It's not compulsory chords are equal. Is twice the angle at the suppose starting from A. Clear to everyone? Going back to here and coming back to this. But small trick I'll tell you once again here. So this
Yes.
is also half. Remember, this angle is centered down. Clear? This angle is circumference down. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So angles at the center
half.
is circumference down, center down. You remember that then only possibility is there, otherwise it will become wrong. But small trick I'll tell you once circumference down. Remember, this is x, this angle is center down. Correct? No. This angle is change the question here right now. Okay. If I write like this. 1 minute.
Half.
If this is circumference down, center down. You remember that what will be this angle? Possibility is there, otherwise it will become wrong.
2x.
Center down, circumference down.
It will be half
If
of the.
this is x, what should be 2x? Correct? No.
360
But I'll
minus
change the question here right
2x,
now. If I write like
and then
this.
that into 2, like by 2.
See,
Wait,
if here I
here
told you
also-
x, center down, what will be this
Because
angle?
it's
This
just,
angle, if I tell you.
Opposite, right?
Yeah, just opposite. But why I have told you, no,
It will
center
be
down,
half of the-
circumference down. What should
should
this
be
is center down, 2x,
360 minus
circumference down x.
2x,
Here, center
and
down,
then
but
that
circumference up.
into 2.
So this is not valid in that case.
By
You
two.
can't take
Wait,
half of
here
this.
I
I told you
said
what. This
center
center
down.
down. That's why I'm telling you.
Because
Circumference
it's just,
down, circumference up.
opposite, right?
Yeah, just circumference down. Why I have told you, no, center down, then only this is applicable. Clear? You should check. This is center down, 2x. If this is circumference down x, what here center down is correct, but circumference up. If you are going not valid in that case, you can't take half of this again. This is x. So this circumference up angle. That's why I'm telling you, Siddhant. Circumference down, circumference up minus 2x, right?
Yes.
Circumference down. So half of that will only this is applicable. This half of that. That is 360 minus 2x divided by center up. Because now what we have was telling that is correct. Circumference up. If you are going to find this angle, if this is 2x, up concept, so this circumference up or angle will be how much? Clear, Siddhant? 360 minus 2x, right? Up concept or
Yes.
down concept. Clear to everyone? Half of that will be this angle. This angle will be half of
Yes,
that. That is
sir.
360
Now,
minus 2x
and
divided
that
by
thing will
2.
just be 80 minus
Because now what
x.
we have done?
And because this
Circumference
two-
up 180
Yeah.
minus x, correct.
180
Center up.
minus x, correct.
Understood? Up concept can be there. Or down concept.
minus
Clear?
x.
Sir, it will be 2x only,
Up
or
up
here,
concept
this
or
one.
down concept.
ACB
Clear to
will be
everyone?
2x. Yes, sir.
Because it's
Now,
all
that thing will just
This
be
will
80
be
minus
half means
x.
180 will come. Not 360.
And because the
Yes,
two-
tell me. 180
Yeah.
minus x, correct.
180.
180 minus x, correct. You can write 180 minus x.
Sir, it will be 2x only, or here, this one. ACB will be 2x. Because it's alternate.
Here, this will be half means 180 will come. Not 360. Yes, tell me. Yes. So see, this will be how much? 180 minus x. Okay. I'll give one question right now. Find this angle. So see, this will be how much? 180 minus x. Okay. I'll give one question right now. No.
Sir, which angle?
All right, so thank you so much. Angle, this one you should find x.
Okay.
120 only, sir.
Yes, it's 120 only.
Find this angle. What? 420?
No, sir, 120.
No. Okay.
Sir, which angle?
All right, so thank you so much.
Wait,
Angle, this
no,
one you should
we
find,
might be
x.
wrong because it's not given that all sides are equal.
Write in the
so-
chat box, children. Those who are getting the answers, write in the
120
chat
only,
box
sir.
so that I can just
Yes,
tell whether
it's
who is correct, who is
120
wrong.
only.
Okay. What? 420?
No, sir, 120.
Okay.
Wait, no, we might be wrong because it's not given that all sides are equal.
Write in the
so-
chat box, children. Those who are getting the answers, write in the chat box so that I can just tell whether who is correct, who is wrong. Okay. Orosmeet, Prince, and Pranya. Harini. All you've done correctly, I think.
Yes.
No, Varshita has not answered. Okay, now you answered, right? Orosmeet, Prince, and Pranya. Harini. All you've done correctly, I think.
Yes.
No, Varshita has not answered. Okay, now you answered, right? Now you tell me this one. This angle is given as 100 degree. Find x and y. All of you guys in the chat box, children, find x and y in this question. Now you tell me this number 2. Find x and y. This angle is given as 100 degree. Find x and y. All of you guys in the chat box, children, find x and y in this question. Question number 2. Find x and y. I got 3 answers again.
Sir, am I correct?
You want 60 degree. Which is 60 degree? X or Y?
No, that was the previous question. I put y is equals to x by 2, then x is equals to 2y.
60 degree you are saying. Which one? This one you are talking about? This first question?
Yeah, the first one I put
I got 3
60.
answers again. You meant to say this one?
Sir, am I correct?
No, this is wrong. You want 60
It's
degree.
not correct
Which is
because
60 degree? X or Y?
Why it's not correct? Because
No, that was the
Here
previous
center down
question.
is
I
120.
put
Here is
y is
center
equals
up.
to
If
x by
center
2,
down will
then
be
x
the
is equals
circumference
to
down means
2y.
you can say 60 degree. 60 degree you are saying. If
Oh,
we ask you
okay,
this
you
one you are
meant
talking
it
about,
like
this
that.
first question. This is 60 degree is
Yeah,
fine.
the first one I put 60.
Okay. You meant to say this one.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
here is
No, this is
circumference up. It's not correct
center
because
up
you should find here.
Why it's
Center
not
up.
correct? Because
Center up is how much?
here
240
center
degree.
down
This
is
will be also how
120.
much? Here is center up.
Sir,
Center
Um,
down will be the
yeah.
circumference down means you can say 60 degree.
Oh,
If we ask
wait,
you
is
this
my
one,
second answer correct?
this is 60 degrees fine. What? Okay.
Is my second answer
But
correct?
here is
Y is
circumference
equals to x
up.
by 2.
Means center up you should find here.
Sir,
Center
I
up.
sent my answer as well.
Center up is how much?
Okay,
240
that's in
degree.
Harini.
So this will be
It's
also how
correct.
much?
Sir,
120.
X
yeah.
is
Sir, wait, is my
Yes,
second
already
answer
your both
correct?
answers are correct. Pranya also your both answers are correct.
Is my second answer correct? Wait, y is
Sir,
equals
can
to
you
x
check
by
my
2.
answer? You have written x by 2 and 2y,
Sir, I
right?
sent my
Shaman?
answer as well.
Yeah,
okay. That's in Harini.
For which
It's
question?
correct.
the second one.
X is
Second one you should write in values, no? Values
Yes,
is already
already
given.
your
100
both
degree.
answers are
You can't
correct.
write x by 2 and Pranya
I
also your
didn't do
both
the
answers are
value.
correct.
So,
Thank you, sir.
Tell me the values. Tell me the
sir,
values
can
of
you
x
check
and y.
mine?
You have written x by 2 and 2y, right? Shaman?
Yeah,
For which question?
the second one.
Second one you should write in values, no? Values is already given, 100 degree. Only
can't
2
write x
children
by
has
2
answered.
and
What about others? Why
I
you are
didn't
not
do the
answering? There are
So,
8 children are present over here.
Tell
Tell
me
me
the
the
values.
values.
Tell me the
Why
values of
Eurosmith?
x and
What
y.
happened to you?
sir, can you explain?
After asking, you are asking explain once. Eurosmith. Should ask, no? Only 2 children has answered. What about
I
others?
told that
Why you are not
center
answering? There are
angle will be
8
double
children are
than the
present over here, but 2
circumference
children
angle.
are
Once again, I
answering. Why
repeat over
Eurosmith?
here,
What
okay?
happened to you? Eurosmith, if you are not understood, then you just message
Sir,
also.
can you
If you are
explain?
hesitant to ask, you can message in the chat box. Okay. After asking, you are asking explain once. Eurosmith. Should
Sir, I
ask,
put
no?
x is equals to 100 and y is equals to 50.
I told that center angle will be equals to 100, double than the circumference angle. Once again, I
Yes.
repeat over here.
No,
Okay?
no.
Or else,
Circumference up is given.
understood.
The
Then you just
center up
message
angle you
also
know,
if you
right?
hesitate to ask. You can message in the chat box.
But
Okay.
y is equals to 50, right? Because 100 over here is given, and then x should also be 100, and then y
No,
is
x how x
X
is equals to
100.
100? Tell me which reason is this?
yes.
X will not
Because
be 100. No. Circumference up is given.
How
To
the-
understand. So center up angle is 100. Your center
wait,
up
wait,
part is
wait.
how much?
But
200. Okay.
y is equals to 50, right?
Circumference
Because
up,
100
center
over
up.
here is given, and then
If
x
this
should
is
also be
200 down will be
100,
how
and
much?
y is-
160. How x will be 100?
Half
You
of
tell me which
160
reason
is
this?
80.
Like that. Understood? You are getting x will not
Because
be 100. Orosmith, right
How
to
the-
understand here. You are not answering
this
what
is
you are doing
100.
here. Your center
wait,
up
wait,
part is
this
how
is-
much? 200. Okay. Simply
200.
off on camera. Circumference
what you're
up,
not answering,
center
Aman?
up. Why is this 200 down will be how much? 160. Half of 160
Sir,
is
how we
80,
get
like
160?
that. Understood? You are getting because center angle, complete
Or
angle
Smith,
should be 360 degree. Aman,
You are not answering
if
what
one
you're
part you
doing there.
got 200 degree, so other will be obviously 160 degree, right? Simply off
Siddhant,
on
you are also
camera
not
and
answering. What
you're
happened?
not answering, Aman.
Sir, I've answered in chat.
Why? Now you might have answered, I think, not previous, right?
Sir, how we get 160? Sir, I answered previous one also.
Okay. No,
Because
right
center
now you have
angle,
just
complete
answered,
angle
right?
should be 360
For the
degree.
second one.
Yes,
If
for the
one
second
part you
one
got
just now.
200 degree,
Yes.
so other will be obviously 160
See, Oro
degree,
Smith,
right?
you are not understanding.
Siddhant,
Siddhant,
you are also not answering. What happened? Two case I'll take over here.
Sir, I've
Okay?
answered in
Two
chat.
case I'll take. Now you might have answered.
Center
I think.
angle
Not
is here,
previous,
right?
right? Suppose center angle is X.
Sir, I answered
Suppose
previous one
not
also.
circumference angle I'll take here. Okay. No, for right
If
now you have just
circumference
answered,
angle is
right?
X. For the second
Center
one.
will be 2x.
Yes, for the second one just now.
So this is the center.
Yes.
See, Oro
Center,
Smith, you are not understanding. See once
circumference.
again. See, two
Set
case I'll
circumference
take over
down.
here. Okay.
Case
Center
I'll
down.
take.
It's coming. Then only this is applicable. Otherwise,
Center
won't
angle is
applicable.
here,
Remember
right?
that. Suppose center angle is suppose not circumference angle I'll take here. Again, if I write here like
angle
this,
is X,
center will be
if
2x.
this
Angle is 200. So this is the
this will be
100. Center.
How?
Circumference. Again, you see here. See, this is circumference down. This is circumference
Center
up.
down.
From your
It's
side.
coming.
Then only this is
Correct, no?
applicable. Otherwise, it won't applicable.
But
Remember
if
that.
I
write here down like
Okay.
this. Again, if I write here like this, 160. If this angle
And
is
I'm asking
200, what is this angle? This will be 100. So now you see how this
Again,
angle
you
is
see here,
center down. This is
angle is
center up,
circumference up.
This
Opposite
is
sides.
circumference up. From your
You
side,
must
see.
know
Correct?
first, no?
Upper part of this.
But if I write
because
here
we want
down like
upper
this,
angle, not down one, right? So what we can
This
write
angle
here
is
for this?
suppose
160.
200.
Got it? And I'm asking
Why
what is
200?
this angle? Because center angle will be how much? So now you see, children, my
This
class
angle is
started, different
center
class
down.
started right
This
now.
angle is
I'll just leave the
circumference
class
up,
now.
opposite
Okay.
sides.
We'll see you in another
You
class.
must
Actually,
know
my 10th
first
class
upper
started right now. Part of this. 650
because
was having
we
that.
want
Okay? Upper angle, not down. Thank you for joining. We'll leave now.
Thank you, sir.
So what we can write here for this? 200. Got it? Why 200? Because center angle will be how much? Children, my class started, different class started right now. I'll just leave the class now, okay? We'll see you in another class. Actually, my 10th class started right now. 650 I was having that, okay?